Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore healthy living and the benefits of consuming certain foods. Today we will be discussing the health benefits of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented food that has been enjoyed for centuries in many different cultures. Fermented foods are becoming increasingly popular for their health benefits, and sauerkraut is no exception. Sauerkraut is made from finely shredded cabbage that has been fermented by lactic acid bacteria. This fermentation process not only adds a tangy flavor, but also produces a host of health benefits. One of the most significant benefits of sauerkraut is that it is rich in probiotics. These are the same beneficial bacteria that are found in yogurt and kefir, but in higher concentrations. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall health. A healthy gut microbiome can help to boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance your mood. Sauerkraut is also rich in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer, so consuming sauerkraut can be an important step in preventing these conditions. In addition to its probiotic and antioxidant properties, sauerkraut is also a good source of vitamin C. 1 cup of sauerkraut provides about 35% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for supporting the immune system and can also help to prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. In conclusion, sauerkraut is a delicious and nutritious food that can provide a range of health benefits. It is rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which can all help to improve your overall health and prevent chronic diseases. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or side dish, consider adding sauerkraut to your plate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and tricks.